Ohio Business College is a family. They take care of you from day one until you're working. You get to know your instructors, your teachers, your staff and faculty. They all become part of your life in a way that big universities and colleges just don't.
I think we just personalize everything from the beginning. When a student walks in, they meet with an admission rep. As an admission rep, it's my job to make sure they make it through every piece and part of the process. So if they run in any obstacles, we're there. We're here to set you up for success. It's our intention to make sure I see you at graduation. I get to see what motivates my students, and a lot of times it's little faces, little people. I actually get to see lives change.
So one of the things that I really do enjoy about Ohio Business College is that I get to do hands-on training. So we take apart computers, we do networking, we make cables, things that you normally wouldn't get in an open environment classroom where it's just lecture, we get to use hands-on. My favorite thing coming in is more that's personal. People know you by first name, you're not just a number. So from a learning standpoint, I struggle in a bigger environment. So the one-on-one experience that I get from the teachers as well as other students is very helpful for me. Here at the school, we get the opportunity to take a quarter and use our experience that we learned in school and venture out into the real world. It gives us a chance to experience the job, cultures, see what we really like, so that when we do graduate, we have an idea of what we want to go into. My externship really allowed me to see what I really learned in school and apply it. I guess coming into school, I thought I knew what I was doing, but now that I will be graduating, I feel confident leaving the school, and going to my externship really enabled me to see that.
With class sizes being so small, all of us instructors are able to work more one-on-one with students. Everybody has an open door policy, so whenever we see a student struggling or there's issues, they're always able to come. They know they're able to come to anybody in this building to get the help that they need. So my favorite part as being an instructor is to see them walk in on their very first day, starting the program, to walk them through every quarter and see their success. You know, some start off struggling. I'm not sure if this is going to be right for me, a right fit. But then as you get them through, you get their confidence up and going. You see something in them. You really, really see something in them, and then you get them to believe that as well. That's what makes this job so rewarding.
After I finished Ohio Business College, as a student, I was offered a position here as lab assistant. I was a lab assistant for 6 months and then was offered a position teaching, and I can't imagine a better place to work. I love Ohio Business College. It allows people to grow and change in ways that they never thought that they could. The students at Ohio Business College are truly part of my extended family. I enjoy their success on a level that I never thought possible. Their success and their pride in their accomplishments overwhelms me. Seeing them succeed at things that they thought that they never could, it really is moving to see them go out there and make a better life for themselves and their families. The students, the faculty, the staff, the entire thing is just the best.